Do you ever have problems gluing couplers into tubes and they get stuck halfway? I'm going to show you how to put them in correctly in this video.
Welcome to Advanced Construction Videos, where we show you how to tackle rocketry building techniques and more. On our website, we sell kits, motors, building supplies, and electronics. So come and learn, shop, build, and fly when you visit us at apogeerockets.com.
A lot of people complain that they get their couplers stuck halfway and they don't get the tubes together before the glue sets. And they think that the coupler is too big. Well, the actual problem is that they don't have enough glue on the coupler. Now, typically, I don't like to use a lot of glue when gluing a rocket. The glue doesn't make it any stronger. It just adds weight. But the one exception is when you're putting a coupler into the tube. And the reason for that is that the glue lubricates the coupler as it's going into the tube. So I'll show you my process here. First, I'm going to take the coupler and draw a line approximately halfway, and that's going to be the dividing line when we glue the coupler in. Now, the problem that happens is that the coupler and the tube, the paper acts like a sponge, and it really sucks up the water. So when you put it in, all that water gets sucked up and the glue just kind of grabs too fast. So the solution is to use more glue than you think. So I like to put glue on both halves of the rocket. So I'll put glue on the inside of the tube right here. And you can see there's a lot of glue in there. And then I'll spread it around. Have paper towels handy because this does get a little bit messy. And then I'm going to take the coupler and I'm going to put the glue on the end because as we push it in, the glue is going to smear itself around the coupler. You know, it's going to move up the coupler. And again, I'm going to just spread it around. I want to leave it on pretty thick though. So if there's any extra glue, make sure you put it on, onto the coupler. Now find that line and we're going to slide it in, and you can feel it's kind of snug. Just keep it moving, get it up to that line. You can see there's all kinds of glue on there coming off. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it off, and as I take the glue off, I'm moving it down the paper towel. So I'm leaving a trail of glue on the paper towel like that. And that is so that it just doesn't, you're not leaving a big glob of glue on the rocket itself. Okay, so usually the first time, the first half of the coupler goes in fine. But there's also a ring of glue on the inside. And for that, I want to wipe it up because now it's excess glue and it's just adding weight. It's not adding strength. So I'm going to reach in there with a Q-tip and try to get as much off as I can. And you probably can't see a lot what's going on in there. You can also, reach in there with your finger as far as you can and smear it around, and I got a little bit more out. Okay, so now is the hard part. It's the second tube that goes on. Again, first test fit it, make sure that it goes on. And we're going to use the same technique. First I'm going to put glue on this side. And there's a lot of glue in there, and I'm going to spread it around. Again, keep it on fairly thick because the water in the glue is what lubricates the thing. And then on this end, like that, again, just smear it around. Any excess, try to get it on. I'm just kind of scraping it off my finger onto the tube. Okay, so now when we put these together, you got to do it in one big motion. You got to keep it moving because, if you stop and try to adjust, that's when you have problems. And if you have, say you have a line for like a fin line or a launch lug line, and you have one on each side, align those first before you put them together, so that when you go on, you're going on nice and smooth. Keep it moving until it locks in place. Again, we're going to take paper towel and we're going to wipe off the glue just like that. Okay, so now again on the inside we got a lot of glue, and now it's too far down, so I'm going to take a wooden stick and the Q-tip, and I'm just going to take some masking tape and tape the Q-tip to the end of the stick like that. And now I can get down in there and, you know, wipe it off. See, I got a lot of glue on there already. Yeah, I got a lot of glue in there. You know, I'm doing it upside down, so I can't see what I'm doing, but normally you'll just put it in there, try to get up all that excess glue. Okay, so I did pretty good. So now we'll just let that glue dry, and now it'll be nice and strong and everything's aligned nice. And just make sure that when you roll it across a flat table, it's not wobbling. If it's wobbling, it's not aligned properly. Usually the couplers are long enough that they will align by themselves. So that is the technique on joining tubes together with a tube coupler. So my name is Tim Van Milligan. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. There's also a notification. So ring that bell so that you're notified whenever we release a new video. Make sure you subscribe. So thanks for watching. May the winds be light, may the skies be blue, and may all your rockets fly straight and true.